So a Lincoln update here. Recently, the check engine light came back on again, and I had a feeling it would. I had it in last fall for basically, it would turn out to be a sensor or so, but still, when I got it back, it was just, when it's cold, it's hard to start. Runs beautifully, but same symptoms. And last weekend, we had it out for the entire weekend because it was a beautiful weekend, and check engine light came on. It doesn't behave any differently. Still hard to start when it's cold. So I have to move it right now because we're going to mow the lawn, and I thought I would show you guys what's going on. So maybe I should, and I apologize for the lighting. It should get better when we pull out. But just open the door here. Okay, I'm going to put the key in, and then I'll show you what's going on. So maybe someone out there has an idea. See, then it's totally fine. Minus the check engine light, of course, right? So just let it warm for a second. I'm one of those people that it drives me crazy when I like if I'm out for a walk or a run and I see someone get in their car and they start it and throw it right into gear and pull out. Like, I tend to like the 30 seconds. In this case, like, I wait for the air suspension to come on and, you know, the compressor to go, and especially if I haven't driven it, just give it a second. It's like, do you like open your eyes in the morning and just jump out of bed and like go, you know? No, you open your eyes, you look at your phone or check the time, and maybe you close your eyes for a second at 30 seconds or a minute or so. Maybe you even hit snooze, whatever. So anyway, I know cars are not humans, but I like to do that, and so it's worked well for me. All right, so we're just gonna pull it out. We're not really going anywhere today. This weekend I'm gonna get it over to my boys at Sullivan Tire. I know the mechanics there, and they love working on this car. So they know it well, and they have a guy who's a diagnostic guy. Like, look, I know I can plug in and read out the code, and I know me asking you guys on YouTube, that's the first response I'll get, like, hey, just like, what does the code say? Yeah, I'm trying not to hit the Suburban in the driveway while I'm doing this. Of course, Eddie's out there and he's just staring at me, versus like, hey Dad, like, we're back up. I'm out on the front lawn. Okay, no backup camera, just us. So we have, at the new location here, we got 3 cars going. So, and this lives in the garage. But what we're going to do is we're going to bring the Suburban to the other location with the tractor and cut the grass there. And then we're gonna fire up the Mustang and leave the Suburban there and take the Mustang out tonight for a car show. So to be continued. All right, well, if anyone has any thoughts on that, what's going on, without me doing a diagnostic, shout in the comments, and I'll keep you updated on this. And thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and we'll talk soon.